This is the Burren Bench. It's a concrete 3D printed planter bench, inspired by the west of Ireland and made with a biochar-enhanced concrete 3D printing recipe. The idea for the project came about when I was asked to design a concrete planter bench that incorporated biochar into the concrete mix. I had recently attended a concrete 3D printing workshop and was very curious about the potential benefits of adding biochar to the concrete 3D printing recipe. I think everyone knows about the problems faced by the construction sector and particularly concrete. So it made sense to us to combine the material efficiency of concrete 3D printing, which is a process that has almost no waste, with the carbon sequestration of biochar. As well as carbon sequestration, biochar potentially has a number of other benefits when used with concrete. It can improve its thermal insulation capabilities, it can make it lighter, and it can enhance its durability. If we can successfully incorporate biochar into the concrete 3D printing recipe, we should be able to imagine and print concrete objects that are carbon sinks instead of being carbon emitters. This means that biochar-enhanced concrete 3D printing could contribute massively to the decarbonisation of the construction sector.